In this tutorial, I will show you Magic Wand tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump on it. So you can access Magic Wand tool from here. This is Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool actually works on to find out similar attributes, appearance, shapes or objects. Let's see how it works. So I am now Magic Wand tool is selected. I am clicking. You can see I have already drawn few primitive shapes here. This is red color fill shape. This is green color fill shape, and this is stroke. Here is no fill. So when I am clicking one shape of this red color circle, you can see all the red color circles has been selected by Magic Wand tool. When I click on the green circles, Magic Wand tool selected all the green circles. When I clicking in the stroke of these circles, Magic Wand tool selected all the strokes similar to this shape, and here is 5. So Magic Wand tool, what is the purpose of this tool? Actually, this purpose of tool, you can see that I am in another image. I have downloaded it from Pixabay. So I am clicking here. So you can see I am clicking this shape. When I am clicking here, Magic Wand tool selected similar appearances objects from this canvas. So what is the purpose? When it's selected, I am decided to change the fill of these objects. So I am clicking here, and you can see I am picking light green color, and you can see all the objects, all the shapes now has changed to green color. So if I have a huge artboard where hundreds, thousands of objects already there. So if I want to change certain objects appearances, so Magic Wand tool is so much helpful. Also, I am back to here, or I am also can demonstrate it from here. When I clicking this shape, you can use same select menu, same you can select all the appearance, blend mode, fill stroke, fill color, all from it. Also you can see double clicking Magic Wand tool, the dialog box will be pop up, and you can see fill color and stroke color has been selected. You can also stroke weight, opacity, blending mode. Also can check out all the availability buttons here. So that was for the today's videos. I hope you got learned something from this video. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.